Hello, Alex. Happy birthday. I know the past 2 weeks or months have been so tough because of the various pending deliverables. Pero don't worry because tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow is your day. Just sit back and relax at wala kang ibang gagawin kundi ang busugin kami. Sorry. But kidding aside, I just want you to know na mahal ka ng iPay and we are family. Sana mas matagal pa yung pagsamahan natin at mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Happy birthday! We love you, Alex.
Happy birthday, Bonnie! Sir Alex pala, ka-birthday mo lang nga pala si Bonnie. Anyway, parang bayani ka na rin sa aming mga kasama mo sa trabaho kasi lagi mo kami binibisip. So, stay generous, kind, and God bless more birthdays to come. Happy birthday!
Alex, happy birthday po. Thank you po sa lahat ng libreng pagkain sa mga gifts na bigay mo po. More blessings po and good health po.
Hi sir, happy birthday! Thank you po for being so mabait and mapagbigay na head. And wish ko po ay good health and sana mas matagal ka pa namin makasama sa IT.
Birthday, Sir Alex! You know that I love you so much! Me too, Sir Alex! Happy birthday, sir! Good health and many more pabusog pa sa amin. Thanks po! Happy birthday, Sir Alex! More blessings and wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, Sir Alex. I wish you good health and sana matupad mo na yung wish mo makapag-annual physical exam ka ngayon. Happy birthday ulit!
Happy birthday sa'yo. Yun lang po, sir. I wish you good health po, sir. Sana magpatuloy pa rin po kayo na maging mabait na mas. Happy birthday po.
Cheers!
Happy birthday, Sir Alex. Sana po maging healthy ka at mabuhay ka po hanggang gusto mo, sir. Ganito lang, simplihan lang natin ang buhay. Weather lang. Then, yun lang. Sabay lang tayo sa atin ng buhay. And happy birthday, sir. Bye-bye. What's up? Yo, Sir Alex, happy birthday. Sana ako mababa ang buhay mo, mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo, sir. Yes, go.
1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Sir Alex! We love you! Ako na rin.
I love you so much!